Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, today we will learn about tall and short. Open your book to page number 12. Activity number 1 में देखिए, टिक द शॉर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. हमारे पास 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिनमें एक शॉर्ट और एक लॉन्ग. तो हम क्या करेंगे, शॉर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स पर टिक का निशान लगाएंगे. We can see 2 graphs, a lamp post and a lantern. 2 trees, 2 pencils, 2 men, 2 pots. Now carefully listen. We have to tick the short objects. क्या करना है, short objects पर टिक का निशान लगाना है. Let's look one by one. There are 2 graphs. One graph is tall and one graph is short. Tick the short graph. There is a tall lamp post and small lantern. Tick the lantern because it is short. There are 2 trees, one is tall and one is short. Tick the short tree. There are 2 pencils. One pencil is long, one pencil is short. Tick the short pencil. There are 2 men. One man is tall and one man is short. तो क्या करेंगे, short man पे टिक का निशान लगाएंगे. Last one is 2 pots. One is long and one is short. So tick the short pots. Dear students, now look at the second picture. We can see 2 bookshelves, 2 buildings. This time we have to circle the tall object. क्या करेंगे, tall objects पर circle करेंगे हमारी second activity में. Look at the building. One building is small, one building is very tall. Circle the tall building. Dear students, one bookshelf is short and one bookshelf is tall. Circle the tall bookshelf. Excellent. Very excellent, students. So see you in the next class. Bye bye, students.